Hey Vikas, I've been investing for a while now, but should I be constantly monitoring my investments?
Absolutely, Sapna. A good investment strategy is essential, but keeping track of how your investments are performing allows you to make adjustments if necessary. Market conditions, goals, and risk factors can change over time.
That makes sense. So, how often should I be checking?
It depends on your strategy, but it's a good idea to review your portfolio at regular intervals. This way, you can adjust for underperforming assets or shifts in your goals.
Got it. So, it's about staying proactive, not reactive.
Exactly. Regular monitoring helps you stay informed and aligned with your long-term financial objectives.
Thanks, Vikas. I'll start keeping a closer eye on my investments now.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.